This morning, we take you to the Cheyenne River Sioux Tribal Reservation, where leaders are refusing to take down checkpoints.
And a death at a construction zone. We have the latest coming up. Good morning. This is KOTG on the go with all you need to know in news and weather as you start your day.
OSHA is investigating a death at a Sioux Falls construction site. Emergency crews were called to the project at 14th Street and Minnesota Avenue around 10:30 Tuesday morning. Police say a 24-year-old man died at the scene. Police are assisting OSHA in the investigation. The construction site is the location of the new headquarters for First Premier Bank.
Sioux Falls police are also investigating gunshots near the downtown area. Authorities say around 11 yesterday morning, two people were fighting when a gun was fired several times near 8th Street and Spring Avenue. One of the bullets hit the window of a delivery truck, but no one was hurt.
Many places are starting to reopen, and that includes the Minnehaha and Lincoln County courthouses.
But if you plan on going into either courthouse, you are required to wear a mask and practice social distancing. To find out what other precautions courthouses are taking, head to this KOTG.com original right now.
This week started off cool again, but is there a warm-up in the future?
Let's find out with meteorologist Scott Munt. Good morning, Scott.
Well, good morning, you two. Yes, there is a warm-up in the future. We are looking at numbers into the 80s for early next week. You know, the closer we get into this weekend, our temperatures will also warm to the 60s. Some of us may even hit the 70s. We're real close to average as we go through this coming weekend. Not the case for today. Eastern KOTG, we have temperatures that will probably be in the 50s to near 60 degrees for today. And as we do go into next week, watch what happens here. On our temperature trend map, we are looking at much warmer weather to return Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, even Thursday, with temperatures probably hitting the 80s for afternoon highs. We'll have more details on the KOTG live Doppler forecast coming up.
Thanks, Scott. The state of South Dakota is confirming 5 more people have died because of COVID-19. The victims include a man in his 30s who is the youngest person to die of the virus in the state. State officials say he had an underlying condition. Altogether, 39 South Dakotans have died of the virus.
There are just over 1,300 active cases in the state right now. 2,300 people have recovered. That means they haven't had symptoms or a fever in 3 days. New numbers are expected later this morning. The Cheyenne River Sioux Tribe has set up 9 checkpoints along major roads and highways that lead into the reservation. The goal is to prevent the spread of COVID-19.
Officers stop vehicles to ask a series of health questions as well as check for permits. But the stops are sparking some disagreements.
It's like that in everything in life. You know, you're not always going to have 120%. You're going to have a few that disagree with whatever actions you do.
The checkpoints started around the beginning of April. Chairman Harold Frazier says they will keep them running until it is safer. Governor Kristi Noem says the tribal checkpoints are not an issue until tribes overstep their boundaries. The tribes have authority on BIA roads, but not state and federal highways.
Noem says she's had conversations with Chairman Frazier and hopes an agreement can be reached.
What we're looking for is clarification and respecting tribal sovereignty, which is something I always have done in my words and in my actions, but also making sure that we have the ability to protect people.
DOT has put up some message boards notifying travelers of checkpoints, giving them the chance to find an alternate route. Tribal leaders on Pine Ridge are reporting the reservation's first cases of COVID-19. In a tweet, the Oglala Sioux Tribe says there are 2 positive cases on the reservation. In response, an emergency lockdown has been put in place. People are asked not to leave their property except for medical emergencies or critical service employees.
People in every corner of KOTG are feeling the effects of COVID-19. Small businesses are struggling and so are families. Many of them are turning to the federal government for help.
South Dakota's congressional delegation will join us for a live town hall meeting on Monday night at 7 o'clock. You can watch it on KOTG TV, KOTG.com, or our KOTG News app as they answer your questions. If there's something you'd like to ask, all you need to do is fill out a form right here on KOTG.com. Scott?
And in weather for today, we are looking at temperatures to remain cool as we'll have cloudy skies overhead. You could see some of that here on Futurecast. And as we go through the morning hours and into the afternoon, western South Dakota will be watched as we're looking at sunshine expected into those locations, and temperatures will be warmer in the 60s to lower 70s in western central and south central South Dakota as the sunshine appears. Otherwise, you see the thick cloud cover remaining in eastern South Dakota for today. Isolated showers and thunder showers may develop where we see the sun for today. It's about 20 to 30% chance. It'll hold off till late this afternoon and evening in western and central South Dakota. Temperatures today will hit the 50s and 60s in eastern South Dakota, 60s to near 70-degree weather in central and western KELOLAND. Go ahead and check that 7-day forecast while you're here at KELOLAND.com because we have some 80s next week.
All right, thanks, Scott, and thanks for joining us for KELOLAND on the Go. Be sure to join us on air for midday in KELOLAND.
Until then, you can get up to the minute developments right here on KELOLAND.com. Now go have a great day.